Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Man, today I gotta fix my damn muffler. Like, it's like same with the exhaust. Like, I got the little dumps, like the buttons right here, and it haven't been working since I bought the car. I've been kind of procrastinating, pulling to the side because it's not that bad, but every time I go over a bump, it's like the muffler is hitting. I thought it was struts or something. It makes the car sound real raggedy. So I gotta get that shit fixed ASAP. I can no longer ride around with this. I'm about to go ahead and pop up over there on Muffler Kings, and hopefully they can get me in. If not, I'll have to continue this video. But yeah, I'm gonna just pull up, man. I never make appointments with them, man. I bring all my cars up there, do my exhaust, so shout out to them. But yeah, man, this shit sound like raggedy. Like, they got the dumps. Like, we're gonna look up under there, but I'm assuming that it's over there loose, or they didn't. That shit too damn heavy. Every time it just keep hitting shit. You might be able to hear it while I'm driving. God damn, this motherfucker in the middle of that damn street. Look at this shit. Get the fuck out the road, pop. Bust your ass. Fuckers be asking to get hit. They be wanting a check or something. I don't know. I ain't gonna get no money over here. I don't give a damn. But man, I'm trying to fix this, man. I don't know, can y'all hear it? It's not really doing it now. I gotta go over a bump, but it's just like rattling. Like, it feels like a let me get down through there then. Shit. I want to be in my goddamn way. You see me trying to get over. But yeah, man. Like, man, oh, it's 12:46. Everybody out on lunch. It's real busy over here, y'all. But I'm about to pull up. Hopefully they can help me out. I don't like how that muffler just it's not doing it now. It does it worse when it's cold. It seems like it's more drony, and it's like hitting. It's like hitting against the frame or against the undercarriage of the car. Oh yeah, we're gonna get straight up into it though. Going up, y'all. Going up. Going up in the air. Dang, it looks sexy going up. So yeah, guys, we decided I'm gonna delete the dumps. I don't want the dumps. I don't care to have loud ass pipe. I'm gonna put an X pipe on there. I'm going with an X pipe. And they're gonna delete all this shit. Hell yeah. Not loud over here, but yeah, I'm about to put an X pipe, take off that damn I don't know. This video be too damn late to be asking y'all, should I keep that thing and sell it? But I don't think that shit worked. The electrical is not working on it. Matter of fact, I might just keep it. It won't hurt to keep it. But y'all comment below if y'all interested in buying it. I don't know, does it work or not, but I don't need it. I'm about to have them rip all that wire shit out and all that. So I need an X pipe in here. I think the X pipe is gonna give it a little bit more power, in my opinion. They're gonna build more pipe on there. Let me show y'all real quick before you start welding again. They already deleted the resonators already. And so we got both the cats, and then they built this, the dump. So I'm gonna delete all that. Man. Yup. Take the cutouts. I don't want no cutouts. I don't like it. Y'all know I don't like that loud shit. I don't like shit loud. I like shit to sound just right, just perfect. I don't need to show off and be in the parking lot revving my shit up. I don't do that type of shit, man. But anyways, man, y'all come over here and check out where is it at? Where is, oh, right there. Muffler Kings. Muffler. They do muffler brakes, tune up, CV axles, timing belts, high performance exhaust. They do it all, man. So y'all make sure y'all come and check them out. They always hooking me up, giving me good deals. So I mean, they do the shit right. pipe. So the X pipe is taking place of where the resonator used to be at. We got the X pipe on there. Good. Oh, yeah. I bet you it's gonna have more back pressure where I can take off faster. I think so. We just need to put in the pipes in this gap right here. Deleted the resonator, took all that bullshit that was on there. I'm gonna get rid of, delete these wires that was holding that up. But yeah, as far as that, everything seems pretty good. Got a fresh new weld on there. Got the X pipe. I'm in good shape right now. The old ones, those are the cutouts right there. I'll have to keep those and sell those, buddy. If they work. Then we had some rust on there. I had to cut those off. Got rust on them. That I can't have, so I got some fresh new pipe on there. I think I'm gonna be happy with it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be happy with it. I had to tag team my guy in. I was like, man, get up in. He know exactly how I like it. You know I'm OCD about my stuff, so y'all guys know. But, I don't want to hear no rattling. I don't want to hear no shaking or none of that. I don't want to hear no funny noise. I want it to be smooth. I don't want to hear nothing but exhaust and music when I'm driving. I don't want to hear no. Yeah, it would sound something like that, but yeah, I don't want to hear none of that. No muffler, no resonator. They did a good job over here. We got the X pipe right there. Under this is what it was hitting against. So I had to get that straight, make sure there's a gap in there, make sure it's not hitting. It was just metal on metal just hitting. So yeah, it looks pretty good. The wells look decent. Yeah, and then we got the two cats. We got that cat and that cat. I think we good. I'm ready to hear it, let it down. You know, they always take care of me over here at Muffler Kings. And like I said, let me see, can I get their number? If y'all local in Oklahoma City, we're on the south side. Muffler King. So that's 405-631-4100. They letting it down, letting it down. See what it sound like, y'all. Start it up, see what it sound like. Good job. Sounds good. Sounds better. I don't hear no rattling, no none of that. Yeah, I like it. I'm happy. I'm happy, excited. Let's hear it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Yeah. That sounds good. Sound good. Yeah, you want to pull it out for me? Man, see, he know what I like. My guy, man. yeah. That Lucky's Wheels and Deals shit right there. That thing sound right. Sound way better. That X-Pipe. Oh yeah. It's probably more responsive now. Oh my god, yeah. Dang, it looks sexy as fuck. Oh yeah. He wanna have fun with it. He wanna take her on the block. Oh man. Oh yeah. That sound mean. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, yeah.
I know how you do.
Yeah, you already know. My camera about to die, but I gotta get up in here and do the damn thing. Start this bad boy up. Ah, sounds so good when you started that. Usually it rattles and do all that shit. Metal on top of metal, man. Ain't fucking with that. I'm thinking I'm in my damn Corvette with the reverse camera. Get out here. I don't know what, every time I do these damn videos, I never bring my damn window mount. Got my damn window mount in my Monte Carlo SS. But yeah, I'm about to hit this thing. As soon as these cars let me go, I'm ready to see what it do. I want to know, do it got more pushback, more power? What the fuck? That shit felt weird as fuck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I highly recommend, y'all. I highly recommend an X-Pipe. Oh yeah, they got more like pedal, like more. It's more like, I don't know. It got more pushback, more pressure. It feel like it got more. It got more kickback. I highly recommend an X-Pipe. Like for real, for real. Like man, I highly recommend it. Man, this shit sounds so fucking goddamn good. My damn camera about to die and shit. Man, I want to take it on the freeway for y'all. But I don't think it's gonna make it. But yeah, man, y'all tune into my other videos. I'm gonna have more videos of me driving this car. Hopefully I can get in a few races. Now this shit feels way faster. Now I'm ready. I'm ready to get up on somebody. Smash on somebody. Can I get this? Oh man, this shit's yellow light. Fuck. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna make it. But yeah, y'all. Trust and believe me, this shit was worth the doing. This motherfucker get it. Woo! Woo! This motherfucker sound right. Now this is how a motherfucking Camaro supposed to sound, and supposed to pull off, and supposed to ride. Man, and it's supposed to sound, god damn, it just sounds more throaty, more aggressive. God damn. Look at this shit. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, I'm putting a supercharger on this motherfucker. Man, I can't let Melly Mel outdo me in that SS. I gotta put a supercharger. Then they make all 4 of our cars have superchargers on them. Got the Corvette with a supercharger. Got the Monte Carlo SS with a supercharger. Mine the Camaro with the supercharger on it. Got the SS sedan Chevelle with the supercharger on it. And just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yee!